In this video, we are explaining the one hot encoding technique using Python. So what is that? So here we are having a sample code. Let me explain line by line. From NumPy import args max. So we'll be using this one. Here we are having one data. So there is welcome. So what is the length? Length is our 7 characters. Okay. So now print data. So if I print it, obviously I'll be getting the required welcome as output. So that is my print data. Okay. Next I'm going for one alphabet. So this alphabet is nothing but a string which is containing all the respective 26 alphabets are there, including one blank space also. So we'll define a mapping of characters to integers. So we are going for character to integer. So what is that? We are creating one dictionary where character C will be there and I will be the respective position of the character. So for I and C in enumerate alphabet. So alphabet is containing this particular string where A to Z is written, one blank space is there because my data may also have some blank spaces. So welcome to our place. So in that case we'll be having blank spaces in our string which is going to get encoded. So character to integer, we have done this one, and then integer to character doing the just the reverse. So here we are writing I and C. So position will be given and respective character will be there in the respective dictionary. For I, C in enumerate, that is our alphabet. So let me print them. So character to integer and integer to character to see that what is the current content in them. So if I go for execution, you can find that for character to integer, we are having this dictionary and where A is the 0th character, B is the character number 1, C is the character number 2, Z is the character number 25 because we have started from 0. So 26 characters, Z will be having the value here, key value pair. So value here will be having 25 and here the blank space will have the value 26. On the other hand, in case of integer to character, we are having that at place 0, we are having A, at place 1, we are having B, at place 2, we are having C and so on. So at place 26, we will be having our blank space. So character to integer and integer to character, I have printed it for the better understanding. Next. So integer encoded. So character to integer car for car in data. So here my data is my welcome. So for car in data, so for each and every character, I'm just retrieving the respective value against the character and that has been put in this integer encoded. So if I put this integer encoded variable on print, you can find that it is coming like this. So welcome WELCOME. So they are coming like this. Why it is my 4? Why it is my 22? Because just come here W. If you come to the W, see for W it is 22. For W it is 22. Why it is 4? Because WEL. So that is E here. So E is having the value 4 here. So accordingly, the integer has got encoded. Next one. Now we are going for one hot encoded. We are creating one list, that is an empty list here. So for value in integer encoded, so letter is equal to 0 for underscore in range of these letters. So now if you put this letter value is equal to 1 and one hot encoded dot append the respective letter. So what is happening, see in this particular case what is happening, if we print this one hot encoded, you can find that we're having this welcome. So first character was W. So this is my 26 binary bits are there. So it is at that W place. So W, X, Y, Z blank space. So this W is not A, not B, not C. In this way we are having this W is here, then not X, not Y, not Z, not a blank space. Next one was our E for welcome. So next one was our IL. So it is not A, not B, not C, not D, but E, and rest of the characters are not present. So in this way, so WELCOME, in this way I'm finding this the hot encoded form. So I'm getting this one. So that is a one hot encoded form. I've just shown you the outputs. Now we are going for the invert encoding. That means from that very 0, 1 binary vector, I want to get back the character. So now one hot encoded 0. So for the first character, for the first vector place, so for the first vector, we are getting the argument max and then integer to character, I'm just converting it. So here the position will be, respective position will be our W position, and then integer to character I'll be converting that one, and then I'll be going for this inverted. So I'll be getting here output as W. You can find that I'm getting this output as W because I'm considering only the first vector here. So here you can find that how to convert this welcome to this particular encoded form, and then from there how to get the respective characters back. I think you got this idea. So this is my total code. The total code is on the screen. You can also do the typing of the same. You can do the experiments, and you can go for temporary print of the variables for the better understanding as I did here. Thanks for watching.